Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is June mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to feed in. So let's see what are the messages for you. Aries, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Virgo, King of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, and Eight of Cups under the deck. Maybe one person is walked away in this connection. It could be you or you person, but maybe I think it's you. But someone is coming towards you. It could be a new person or it could be a past person, but this person is in very slow moving energy, but you are taking your control back and you are very honest person. Yes, especially you are taking your control back. So let's see, you're reading recent past, Page of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the World. Someone was approached you in recent past to say apology. For some children's also involved in this connection, and there was some communication happened between you and your person. Because you walked away, then again they reach out to you, and some cycles are going to be are ended between you and your person already. For some, a new beginnings also started, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Then present the Lovers, Five of Wands, and Four of Wands. Still, there is lot of drama is going in this connection. Yeah, there is love between you and your person, but there is no stability. Lot of issues. Maybe family could be the issue here, friends. A Four of Wands. Yeah, you both want this happiness, especially you want this happiness and stability, but there is lot of drama is going right now. Then future, the Hermit, Page of Swords, and Two of Pentacles. You will undergo some transformation, spiritual awakening process, but they still spying on you, or you are spying on them, social media. And Two of Pentacles, you are juggling. You don't know which decision you have to make. Aries, you are juggling. Because there is in this relationship here no clarity, that's why you're juggling. Because your person may be in and out of your life. They're saying one thing and doing another things. There is no match between action and words. That's why you're confused. You are juggling. Maybe you're juggling between your person and your career, your person and your family. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So guys, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Cups with Queen of Wands. Yes, your person is in some confusion or they have options, but they want new beginnings with you, Ace of Pentacles. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions. This Four of Pentacles, Page of Cups with Temperance. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. For those who are in separation right now with this person or no contact, even though it is on and off connection, your person right now feeling bored, feeling lonely, and they're heartbroken. Maybe they are realizing your worth. Yes, Nine of Swords. They're missing you so much, Aries. Yeah, they're realizing your worth. Maybe in past they are in and out of your life. In past they hurt you. Now they're realizing their mistake. And yeah, they're realizing that you are their happiness, but still they are not expressing their true feelings to you, but they want to say apology to you because they did hurt you. Now they want to say apology, and they're realizing your worth. They're realizing their mistake also. Page of Cups. So children's involved in this connection. So let's see their intentions. Maybe they are having hard time to express their feelings to you. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and Seven of Cups. Maybe your person have options, but they are going to be choose you. That's why there is some confusion, and they are very, very attracted to you, Aries, and they wanna come back with you to you. And Knight of Pentacles, they are very serious about you. This time they wanna offer stability to this connection, and yes, options, but they're gonna choose you. And right now they're suffering in silence. They're missing you a lot. They're realizing their mistake. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Five of Pentacles. Your person is suffering in silence. Yeah, maybe in past they ghosted you. They treated you as an option. Now they're realizing their mistake. Yes, they want rebirth in this connection, and they're wishing for this connection. Nine of Cups with Chariot. Yes, they will make move very soon. Yes, I think in past there is no equal give and take. There is no partnership between you and your person. You want equal give and take. You want partnership in this connection. At the same time, you want Ten of Cups happiness. You want marriage. That's all. And Eight of Wands, communication is coming. You will receive communication, lots of communication. And you are focusing on yourself. You are taking your control back, Aries. So let's see mutual. Six of Wands. Wow. So if they really realize their mistake and coming back with an offer, if they're working hard towards this connection, definitely there will be reconciliation, because Eight of Pentacles with Six of Wands, reconciliation, reunion, success. Yes, they're coming back. And for some, there will be reconciliation also. For some, it depends on your situation totally. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aries. Your pure perfection. Don't leave me behind. I'm just not ready yet. I realized my mistake. Yes, they realized their mistake. And I still love you. And I am very attracted to you. So the messages are: your pure perfection. Don't leave me behind. I am just not ready yet. I still love you, and I realized my mistake, and I am very attracted to you. So these are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. A fiery climax approaches full moon in Aries. Yes, there will be climax is coming for your relationship, or it is reconciliation for some. It is happy ending. Prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus, Taurus energy. Definitely there will be lots of abundance is coming in your way. Stability in career and finances. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.